Choosing a lighted makeup mirror is essential for flawless makeup application. Proper lighting enhances visibility and accuracy. These mirrors often come with adjustable brightness settings, allowing you to customize lighting to match different environments. Some mirrors feature magnification options for detailed work, like tweezing or eyeliner application.
Product number 1. GVKK NVN Makeup Vanity Mirror with Lights 15.2-inch Large LED Lighted Mirror, Hollywood Makeup Mirror with lighting for bedroom tabletop. Discover the elegance of the GVKK NVN Makeup Vanity Mirror with Lights, designed to brighten up your beauty routine. This large 15.2-inch LED lighted mirror offers perfect lighting for flawless makeup application. Enjoy the smart touch controls and a detachable 10x magnification mirror for detailed work. With 360-degree rotation, adjust the angle to suit your needs effortlessly. Ideal for any bedroom tabletop, its sleek white design adds a touch of sophistication. Effortless makeup application with 15.2-inch large LED lighted mirror. Smart touch control offers seamless lighting adjustments. Includes a detachable 10x magnification mirror for detailed work. 360-degree rotation allows perfect angle selection. Ideal for bedroom tabletop use. Adds elegance and function.
Product number 2. Lighted Makeup Mirror. 3000 milliamp hour rechargeable double-sided magnifying mirror with 3 colors, 1x/10x, 360-degree rotation vanity mirror. This lighted makeup mirror is the perfect beauty companion. It features a 3000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery for long-lasting use. Double-sided with 1x and 10x magnification options, ideal for precise makeup application. Enjoy the 360-degree rotation for easy viewing at any angle. Choose from 3 light colors to suit your mood. Adjust the brightness to match your needs. A wonderful gift for women who love beauty. Brightly illuminated for precise makeup application. The lighted makeup mirror ensures clear visibility for intricate cosmetic details. Adjustable brightness offers customized lighting for every occasion. Effortless portability enhances convenience. With a 3000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, this mirror provides lasting power without frequent charging, ideal for travel and home use. Versatile magnification aids in detailed grooming. Choose between 1x and 10x magnification for various beauty tasks, perfect for achieving flawless looks with ease. Elegant design adds style to any vanity. The 360-degree rotation feature allows optimal angle adjustment, a functional and stylish addition to a beauty routine. Product number 3. Conair Lighted Makeup Mirror, LED Vanity Mirror, 1x 10x magnifying mirror, corded in satin nickel finish. Enhance your beauty routine with the Conair Lighted Makeup Mirror. Its LED lights provide bright, clear illumination, perfect for detailed makeup application. The 1x x 10x magnifying feature offers versatile viewing options. Enjoy a sleek satin nickel finish that adds elegance to any vanity. Corded design ensures consistent performance without the need for batteries. This mirror offers perfect lighting for makeup application. The LED lights mimic natural daylight, providing clarity. Magnification options cater to various needs. Switch between 1x and 10x effortlessly. Elegant design complements any decor. Satin nickel finish adds a touch of luxury. Convenient corded feature ensures constant power, no need for batteries. Product number 4. Jordan Trifold Two-Sided Makeup Mirror with Lights. Vanity mirror with 5x, 1x magnification and multiple light settings. Experience the convenience of the Jordan Trifold Two-Sided Makeup Mirror with Lights. This vanity mirror offers 5x, 1x magnification for perfect detail. Multiple light settings ensure flawless makeup application every time. The sleek white design adds elegance to any vanity space.
Enjoy clear, bright reflections with this versatile and stylish mirror. Advantages. This mirror provides versatile lighting for perfect makeup application. Easily switch between different light settings to match your environment. Dual magnification options enhance your beauty routine. The 5x magnification reveals every detail, while 1x gives a full view. Trifold design offers a comprehensive view, allows you to see your face from multiple angles. Compact and elegant, this mirror fits any vanity. Its sleek design complements any decor style. User-friendly features make it easy to operate. Adjust settings effortlessly for an enjoyable experience.
Product number 5. UbiMet Lighted Makeup Mirror. Rechargeable, height-adjustable, double-sided, 1x/10x magnification with 3-color, brightness-adjustable, 360-degree rotation vanity. Gift for women. Easily adjustable height for comfortable makeup application. Double-sided mirror with 1x and 10x magnification. 3 color settings for perfect lighting. Rechargeable battery for convenient use anywhere. 360-degree rotation for flexible viewing angles.